Let's find the sum of all positive divisors of 48. We are given this question along with 5 answer choices. Instead of listing all the divisors manually, we'll use a powerful number theory formula. Sigma of n equals the product over I from 1 to k of the quantity p sub I raised to the power of e sub I plus 1 minus 1, all divided by p sub I minus 1. This is a general formula for the sum of divisors of a number. Here p sub I are the prime factors of n and e sub I are their exponents. This formula works by breaking down the number into its prime factorization. So let's start by finding the prime factorization of 48. We begin dividing by the smallest prime, which is 2. 48 divided by 2 gives 24. Then 24 divided by 2 gives 12. Dividing 12 by 2 gives 6 and 6 divided by 2 gives 3. Now 3 is no longer divisible by 2, so we move to the next prime, which is 3. 3 divided by 3 gives 1, and we stop there. Let's highlight the prime divisors we used, 2 and 3. We divide by 2 a total of 4 times and by 3 once. So the prime factorization of 48 is 48 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 4 times 3. Now we substitute these values into the sum of divisors formula. Sigma of 48 equals 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 times 3 to the power of 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Now simplify. 2 to the fifth is 32. So the first part becomes 32 minus 1 over 1, which is 31 over 1. 3 squared is 9, so the second part becomes 9 minus 1 over 2, which is 8 over 2. Finally, multiplying 31 by 4 gives 124. So the sum of all positive divisors of 48 is 124. Let's highlight the correct answer. Therefore, the sum of all positive divisors of 48 is 124. So the correct answer is option D. This method is much faster than listing all the divisors one by one. Whenever you need the sum of divisors, try using the prime factorization and this formula. It saves time and keeps your work clean.